Please like, share, comment your valuable opinion. Subscribe Baluji English channel and press the bell icon for more updates.
No income tax up to 12 lakh rupees under new regime. Individuals earning up to 12 lakh rupees annually will not have to pay any income tax under the new tax regime, as Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Saturday gave relief to middle class by raising exemption limit and rejigging slabs. For salaried employees, this nil tax limit will be 12.75 lakh rupees per annum. After taking into account a standard deduction of 75,000 rupees, higher exemptions and rejigs have been effected under the new income tax regime. I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees, i.e. average income of 1 lakh rupees per month, other than special rate income such as capital gains, under the new regime. The finance minister said, the new structure will substantially reduce the taxes of the middle class and leave more money in their hands, boosting household consumption, savings and investment, Sitharaman said in her budget speech. As per the rejig, for people earning more than 12 lakh rupees per annum, there will be nil tax for income up to 4 lakh rupees, 5% for income between 4 rupees and 8 lakh, 10% for rupees 8 to 12 lakh, 15% for rupees 12 to 16 lakh. A 20% income tax will be levied on income between 16 rupees and 20 lakh, 25% on rupees 20 to 24 lakh and 30% above 24 lakh rupees per annum. A taxpayer in the new regime with an income of 12 lakh rupees will get a benefit of 80 rupees 000 in tax. A person having income of 18 lakh rupees will get a benefit of 70,000 rupees in tax. A person with an income of 25 lakh rupees gets a benefit of 1.10 lakh rupees.